In the heart of a turbulent kingdom, a Viking named Eirik sought not only glory but a new purpose, leading him to the opulent courts of the emperor. As Eirik showcased his unmatched strength and combat prowess, the emperor began to recognize the value of the fierce warrior from the north. When danger loomed over the emperor, Eirik's bravery shone brightly, transforming him from a mere warrior into the ultimate protector of the realm. Through trials and tribulations, Eirik earned not only the emperor's trust, but also a deep friendship, solidifying his role as the emperor's most loyal bodyguard. As he rose through the ranks, Eirik became a mentor to new soldiers, ensuring that the legacy of honor and strength lived on within the empire. In recognition of his unwavering dedication, the emperor honored Eirik during a lavish feast, solidifying his legacy as a revered protector of the realm. As tensions escalated with invading forces, Eirik stepped forward as a fearless leader, uniting the emperor's army and preparing for the fight to protect their homeland.